Tom here at High Octane Performance. I'm pretty excited now. We got version 1 of possibly 3 versions of this 2004 Porsche Cayenne. Picked the car up from the shop just to drive it over the holiday, have a little fun with it, test and tune, you know, roadworthiness, stuff like that. So here we got the front bumper, which is super clean, very simple, not much to it. We still got a lot more we're gonna do to it. We have the bumper skeleton, should I call it, going here. It looks great. Underneath is not quite finished. We don't have the oil skid that we are actually making serviceable. That's one of our coolest little mods we're going to do to this thing. Got the rear bumper lifted up here pretty high. Took some measurements. Looks to be about the same as a newer 4-door Jeep Wrangler on 35-inch tires. About the same amount of clearance from bumper to floor. Next steps here, we've got the hacked off exhaust, which sounds pretty good on the S. And then finish up the bumpers, rear, front. We've got rock sliders that we're going to get going on here. Right in here. All this area, we're going to do some nice tight line rock sliders. And then up front, I've got the oil skid that covers the oil cooler and the oil filter. And if you own one of these, you know that they are not easy to service. So we are going to make a serviceable oil skid up in here, probably here to here. Maybe possibly lift up the sway bar supports. There's so many different things we're gonna do to this, but I'm excited because I got to drive it just a little bit before I have to bring it back up to the shop, and that's where we are. I did have the wheels powder coated. I thought it would give it a better look. Matte finish. Kept the center cap so you could see the emblem. I really like that. Put some, what do I got on here? Close to 33 Pirelli Scorpions. They drive awesome on the road. They're not noisy, but they still got the aggressive sidewall here that you can, if you air down a little bit. We're gonna put that to the test down the road.